Hey guys, today let's learn how to log someone out of your Instagram account. So if you are suspicious rather, that someone is currently using your Instagram account and you wish to log them out of their session, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how, so please watch this video until the end to find out. Okay, so let's go ahead of course and tap on our Instagram applications. And once you're already here, I want you to tap on your profiles right here in the lower corner, and let's tap on our three lines on the top. Now from there, let's tap on settings and privacy, and I want you to tap on your accounts center. From here, let's go on over on our password and security, and we're going to have this option called where you're logged in. Now in this option, you are going to see all of the accounts or devices that your current account is currently logged in. And if you wish to log someone out of that device, all we need to do is to tap on the device and tap on log out. Now currently, as of now, there are no logins for this account on other devices. But if your device, or rather if your account is logged onto other devices, it's going to show up right here, and you could tap on those devices and basically tap on log out of this session to log that person out of your Instagram account. That's basically it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned something. And please like and subscribe if you guys did, and take care.